Get you. All right. Welcome once again. So good. I hope we did get a good trade last yesterday. Um, Many of the pairs gave us some nice setups. Okay, so today let's look at what we have. I'm sure by now you should be able to chorus these three things that we must do before we place any trade at all. So the first thing is, what did price do overnight? And what we're looking for, we want to know, is it trending or is it ranging? Okay. So if you look at this, so for gold, gold is essentially just ranging, right? Uh, just ranging. So it's in a range. Where is price now? So price is at the lows here. So next question, what must I see price do before I execute a trade? Remember, we're following a process. So we want to see price break below here, possible pullback, and then we'll continue short with it, right? That's one option. Or if it then comes all the way up, if it comes all the way up and breaks this last valid range here, this is the last high, right? That caused this move to come down. You have the opposite candle there. So if it comes here and breaks this level, so that would be a break of structure. And then what would we expect? We expect some sort of pullback and then a continuation upward. So we want to see a break of structure right there. Let's put it as a BOS, or we want to see it break these lows here. Once it can break these lows, then we'll go further down. So right now, there's nothing to do on gold as it is right now. If you're coming to the charts right now, except if you want to be very aggressive, you have to if you want to do a sell. In fact, I won't even advise. Let me just scratch that. Just leave it. There's nothing to do according to our trade plan. Nothing to do right now. Okay, so let's look at the other pairs. Wow, so pound yen did very nicely yesterday. It moved very well. I had some trades on, but I closed it somewhere around here, I think. Was it here or here? No, I don't remember now. Right, I closed it somewhere around there. But overnight, it did move even further. So let's see if we can leave our trades a bit longer to see if it will move very nicely. Okay, so what has price done overnight? Very nice question. Can see a break of structure right there. So for those who traded Asia, you'll have seen this break of structure and you'll have just entered right here, right? So remember, I did say I like to see a pullback and that sometimes we do not get pullback. So look at this one. It did not even pull back at all, right? So what I typically do is that I'll enter a small size here and then put some other pending orders at the lows there, hoping that price will come down and then continue upward. So you can never say, you don't really know if price is going to pull back or if it's not going to pull back. All you know that this is your valid setup, right? This is your break of structure here. So so what I do, you win some, you lose some, right? So if I have a 1% risk, for instance, right, I can put 0.5 here and then put the remaining 0.5 down here. Okay, or if you are risking 0.5, if there is 0.5, for those of us who are trading prop firms, I'm using 0.5 on my prop firm. I'll use 0.25 here risk, and I'll put the remaining down there, expecting price to come down. So if it does go, then that's fine. I'll miss out on this second one, right? Because we never know what price is going to do. Price will always do whatever it wants to do. Okay, so and that is okay. So what did price do overnight? We had the break of structure right there, and then it's moved all the way up. So it's somewhere up here now. It's right here now. Okay, so question is where is price now? So price is right here. Okay, next question, what must I see price do for me to take an action? So right now, this is very, very bullish. technically speaking, this is where our last valid range is. If I look at it, I would actually just take these lows here, right? This is where our last valid range is. However, if price does come all the way down, right, and break these lows here, okay, you can take an aggressive sell, right? So just mark my words, it's an aggressive one and it's not guaranteed to win. I did an aggressive sell on euro yen yesterday and I was stopped out, right? So so be careful when price is very bullish like this. So it's either you want to wait, just let it play out, right? Play out to break these lows here, and then you can take your sell. Or if it can give you break there, right, it will break, and then if it breaks the second one again, then you can enter for a sell. Okay, but for now it's very, very bullish. And what do we expect? We expect that it should just come down and then continue going up. That's what we expect. But will it always do that? No, there's no guarantee it will do anything at all, right? The markets will do whatever they want to do. So let me just mark that level briefly like that. So expecting price to come in here, and then maybe probably just bounce and give us that move there. Otherwise, we want to see price break these lows here. So if it breaks here, I want to see it pull back, but it should not break these highs here. Pull back and then come back and break this low here that is going to make. So once it breaks this other low here, then I can be confident to enter for a short and then come down here with it. Okay, so that will be my trade plan for this one. Okay, let's look at what we have for euro yen. Yes, euro yen too, the same thing. We have a very nice break of structure right there overnight. So that's your break of structure to the top side. Okay, and then so you ask yourself, what did price do overnight? So price came down, did a break of structure there, and went all the way up. Okay, so right now it's just somewhere here. That is where it is now, but it's trending upwards, and it's similar to what we have on pound yen. Okay, where is this now? Okay, so this is the ultimate level where we want to see price break. However, if you can break, if we're looking for counter trend now, I'm talking about counter trend. So if you can break these lows here, pull back up, if it does not come back up to this level, then come back and break these lows, then I'll be interested in this market structure shift right here and trade it down here. Else, what we can do is just wait for it. Let's see if it's going to just come down here. If it's just going to come down here and then continue going up. Okay, so let's just see what markets will do on this one here. What is this? Pound yen, pound Aussie. Pound Aussie is just going. Let me see. I can't see much here. Pound Aussie. What can I see? Okay, so price is just kind of retracing. So there might actually be some sort of support there. So let's just wait to see. So it's moved up, moved down, moved up, moved down. It's kind of sideways, but it's like a tangential sideways movement, right? It's not giving us clear break of structures. It's just moving this way. It's looking like it's moving up, but just wait for it. If you can break above these highs here, right, then we can say, okay, we'll look for a pullback and then go up with it, right? In the alternative, if you can break below these lows here, then we might possibly see price move down and give us further move downwards. Okay, let's look at the next one. This is Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD looks like it's going downwards. So what did price do overnight? Okay, let's be a bit faster now. Nice break of structure right there, pull back, and it's coming back down here. So what do we want to see? We want to see price pull back. It's pulled back now, so we want to see it come back, continue further down. Or in the alternative, if it goes all the way up, break structure here, then we want to see a pullback and then go up. Okay, very nice and simple. Pound USD. Okay, this is just ranging. There's nothing here. This is just ranging. A lot of back and forth. Right. So let's remove the previous drawings there. So this is just ranging. What do we want to see? We want to see price break these lows. Let me put this here. See price break these lows, come back down, and then continue upwards, downwards rather. Or let's see price break these highs here. Let it break these highs. Give us a break of structure, pull back, and then we go up with it. Okay. Euro, USD, JPY. Very nice here. Nice movement. JPY is moving quite nicely. What's happening? Dollar must be strengthening up now. It was weak before. Okay, so it was a move down first. Break of structures right there. It's moved all the way up to this level. It came down, came back up. So if we see a break here, I won't take it literally because this trend is still strong. So I want to see another break of structure before I then enter. So I'll be interested after it breaks this structure here to go down. But if not, we'll be looking for price to go up, right? To just pull back to these zones here, then give us maybe a market structure shift and continues or something like that. Okay, lovely. Do we have any questions? So remember, always follow your trade process and always ask, what must you see price do first before you enter your trade? You must know what price is going to do first before you enter your trade so that you are not gambling at all. Okay, beautiful. So we're just about 10, 15 minutes now. Good, good, good. So we're keeping to time. That's very good. So like they say, so go and may the force be with you, or may the peeps be with you. Positive peeps. Right. So we'll see at the New York session for those who can join us for the New York session. Thank you very much.